everybody, welcome back to my channel. I want to first of all say thank you to everybody who sends all the love. I mean, what can a girl say except thank you, because it's overwhelming at times, but I am happy to be overwhelmed by it. I would like to thank Leah. We got some friend mail. Leah is a Chalk Couture consultant. I think that's what they call partner, creator, distributor. I'm sorry, Leah, I'm not really sure what the titles are. And I know that a lot of you have tried Chalk Couture actually, and Bats sent me some before, but I actually didn't get a chance to try it. But she asked me to pick out some things, and we received the things. So let's see what it says. First of all, the outside of the box says Happy Mail, which I think is too cute. And there's a little card. It says, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Aw, it's cute. Jeri-Ann, thank you so much for joining Thank you so much for joining this collab with me. I am so excited to see what you create. Please reach out to me with any questions, Leah. And Leah also shared with me on Instagram today that she created a video using the products that she sent me, and that if I needed to, I could just go and check it out. So the first thing I did was I found a stencil that says joyful, because I wanted to get some things that that could be Christmas, but could also be whenever. And if you guys know me at all, you know joyful is my thing. So I picked that up. Ooh, ooh. So this weird looking candlestick isn't a candlestick. It goes with, hold on, let me just get it all out. I know I haven't showed you that yet, but I want to show you this first. Okay. We have little pieces that are everywhere, so hold on a second. Okay. So this goes with this chalkboard. So it's got a little hole in the back. You slide this in, line up the holes, and then it has a little peg to insert to keep them all together. I'm not going to peg it because I'm actually going to create it first. So it's this beautiful chalkboard on a stand. And does that, you know, that's me, right? What do you think? Yeah, I'm so excited to try it. I know that many of you have, and I just haven't had the opportunity. I don't know if they do like house parties and there's just nobody around here, or online parties, but I am so excited to give it a shot. So thank you, Leah. What she sent me was some paste. It says Chalkology paste, and it's in white. So it looks like that. It came in a Ziploc bag to protect all of the rest of the things, and then a cute little kit. So I think this is kind of like the tools and the cleaning surfaces. But like she said in her, message on Instagram, she's created a little video to show me how to use it, which is great. So I'm gonna look at that, and then I'm gonna create it and I'll show you guys. But what comes in here? Let's see. A little card that says Think Paste, and it has, oh, Think Ink. Oh, how cute. I just need my extra eyes. It says, you will need to heat a fabric before, okay, heat set a fabric before minutes. Okay, so that if you're gonna use the ink, it's got instructions on how to use the ink, and if you're gonna use the paste, it tells you how to use that as well. So that's really cute. It's like a little instruction card. I love that the instructions are little. That means there's not a lot of them. I got a little Chalkology paste, Chalk Couture washable paste in green Envy. Actually, there's two of them. This would look beautiful with the Like if we did the joyful and the ivory, and then we could use the green envy on the outside portions, that would be really pretty. And then in this bag also is some tools. There is three little, this one's upside down. There are 3 little angled spatulas. You guys know how much I love spatulas, right? And then 2 of these sort of rubber scraper things. From what I have seen in her previous tutorials is that you kind of drag the, you put the paste on with these and you drag these across the stencil to achieve the look. So I'm excited to try it. So before I get into the tutorial, I want to thank Leah really for thinking about me and partnering me on this collaboration. I have to tell you, I have a feeling that this might be my new addiction. I just don't know that I should. So I just read the directions, and you guys know I have a whole setup when I do my crafts. But this looks so amazingly clean that I think I'd like to try it right here for you. So I'm going to remove the chalkboard from its base for right now. I am sitting on my couch. It says that the paste is washable from non-porous surfaces. So if I get it on my couch, that's it. And, or my clothes. But I think that from what I've read and what I've seen, that this is something that I can do right here, right now. So hang on. So the first thing it says is cut apart your stencil if your stencil needs to be cut apart. Now it doesn't say if your stencil needs to be cut apart. However, my stencil is just one pattern. So I will not be cutting that apart. But I will be cutting it out apparently, because I thought it may have a bag. Oh, it does. Where does it open? On this side. Okay. I was gonna say I thought it might have a bag to return to. So the first thing it says to do is to defuzz, not defuzz, to fuzz the transfer. So it tells you to pull it off straight, not at an angle. And it says to fuzz it on a fuzzing sheet, but I don't have one, so I'm going to use my shirt. And this way it's not super duper sticky. And now I'm just going to place it as evenly as my eyeballs will allow. And press it on. We'll get that rubber squeegee thing out. Going to squeegee it, all the bubbles out. And again, this is not, that part wasn't in the directions. But now we're going to use the chalk paste. Now I figure just like silk screening, which this seems like it is a silk screen to be honest with you. Like silk screening, if I want to do a mottled effect where I can mix the colors, it looks like I can, but I'm just going to go straight for just white today because, that's me. I'm a black and white kind of a girl. But I think I might use this on other surfaces with the green. It says the chalk paste has a 6-month, while after open shelf life, a 1 year, if not open, shelf life. So we're gonna open it today and we'll mark the calendar when it's going to be good. I used my teeth, don't use your teeth, I don't have any nails. So again, don't get this on any porous surfaces. We're just gonna take the spatula, we're gonna spread it out. I feel like you can't see what I'm doing. Sorry. Making sure not to get it past the stencil. But from what I've seen, it's washable until it's washable always, but It's easily removable until it's dry, and then it doesn't flake off or dust off or any of those things. And then it removes, it's washable. This isn't a permanent thing. They do have ink for permanency. They have ink for washing, you know, for clothes and stuff, if you want to have a more permanent look. Am I being cheap? I might be being cheap with my paste. I don't like to waste. It's not always really about being cheap with money. A lot of times it's about wasting. So I'm not sure if I'm supposed to do that now. Can I put it back in the jar? Am I supposed to wipe it off? It says while it's wet, to peel it off while it's wet. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. I just wanna get an even surface. There we go. Do you see it's got like ridges in the paste? I'm trying to avoid the ridges in the paste. And again, nobody told me to do that. That's just me. That's me and my silk screening years of silk screening. I never silk screened with chalk paste though. So I will tell you that. It seems like it, let me close it because it seems like it's drying very quickly. And then it says straight on. See, now here's the problem I'm gonna have because I don't have nails. And I don't know if it's a problem because they gave us all of these really cute spatulas. So if this is not a tip that they offer, this is a tip I offer. See, it says to lift it off straight instead of at an angle. Oh my goodness. That is beautiful. That is absolutely beautiful. Oh my, it does. It looks like chalk. Now, if you don't like it, apparently you can wipe it away right away because it's wet. And you can go ahead and try again. But I think it came out stunning. So I wonder if I was supposed to make it like thinner. Do you see how it does have like a mottled look? I like that a lot because that makes me feel like it's more homemade. So now I'm gonna go wash this. It says to wash this right away in cool water and to use that little squeegee to get off all of the extra chalk. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that and then I'll be right back. That was super easy. And this, which I wasn't sure if, you know, she said it would. It says when you wash it, it becomes tacky again, and it is. So I've made sure I set it to dry. And now I'm sticking it back on the card that it originally came on, just to keep it protected. I am so excited. I can't wait to put this in its stand. So I'm gonna put it in its stand and then I'm gonna show you guys what we need. There we go. Look at it. It's beautiful. I don't know that I want to change it, sorry. Leah, you probably wanted me to do this a few times, but I don't know if I want to. However, I have a feeling that I'm gonna want to do it on more things, so at least I have more chances. First of all, people talk about like if I have beautiful handwriting or if practiced my lettering, do I have a Cricut, all of these things. And you know what? I feel like it's all together for you. The stencils that you can use over and over again. I mean, I barely scratched the surface of this jar of paste, and I can't imagine. It probably will be more than 6, unless I decide to just chalk my whole house. That might be what happens. But Leah, I want to thank you and Chalk Couture again for partnering with me and collabing on this video. I love it. I absolutely love it. I think I'm hooked, and it was so fast. That was the part I don't think that I was expecting, that I would be able to start it and finish it in the time that it took. I don't know how long it takes. Oh no, that's dry. That's dry. I don't know how long it takes to dry. Even the thick, oh my gosh, even the thick parts. It's dry and it won't flake. And it's been, I'll have to look at the timestamp. I'll put the time of how long it actually was since I started the project. But I absolutely love it. So thank you, Leah. I cannot wait. I don't know where to put it. I want it everywhere. Can I have 20 of them? Oh my goodness. So Leah, hopefully I can get your information, maybe a link to where everybody can buy this stuff, and we'll stick it in the description box down below. If there isn't one there yet, guys, go ahead and leave it for her in the comments that you want to see how to get your own stuff from Chalk Couture. Chalk Couture. Did you hear what I just did? Chalk Couture. I'm from New York. I do that sometimes. I'm speechless. As always, you guys take care. God bless. We'll see you next time. Bye.